Alam mo, natural talaga maging defensive sila kasi mali yung kanilang ginagawa eh. Kasi kung tama, hindi ganun ang kanilang reaksyon. So that kind of reaction on their part only proves na mali yung kanilang ginagawa. Meron pa nga sinabi si Representative De Lima na yung Supreme Court daw ay Sarah's Court. You know, that is contemptible or contumacious, or she may be cited in contempt, indirect contempt of court for saying that. Kasi very irresponsible itong si Representative De Lima in labeling as an officer of the court. Siya ay bilang abogado, more than a congressman, dapat respetuhin niya ang Korte Suprema. Kami mga abogado, like myself, Attorney Manuelito Luna and the others, nasasaktan kami every time na binabastos ang Korte Suprema kasi ang aming duty under the law is to protect the integrity and the image of the Supreme Court.